Unboxing the new Globe prepaid Wi-Fi ordered in Shopee, and tutorial on how to set up and connect to this prepaid Wi-Fi. Follow me.
Audio. 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 Audio.
You need to install first the Globe One app in Google Play Store. Go to Play Store, download and install Globe One app. After install, open the app. Click Add to add your prepaid SIM account number. Enter your Globe prepaid Wi-Fi SIM number. Click Next. Enter your SIM serial number. Here is the serial number of your SIM.
Audio.
Click Next. Enter a nickname to your account. Click Add Account. Click Proceed. That's it, and you have 10 gigabytes free data. Now, let's test and connect to our new Globe Wi-Fi. Close your data connection and open your Wi-Fi settings. Turn on Wi-Fi and select your new Globe Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi name is on the modem, and also the password. Click Click the name of your Wi-Fi and enter the password.
Know you.
Connected.
Know you.
Now, let's try YouTube.
Know you.
Not bad anyways.
Know you.
That's all. Thanks for watching. Please, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon for you to be updated on more informative video tutorials. Thank you.